Farmers, the rains are back. It's time to plant our pasture seeds with Itungo pastures. As you know, feeding takes the biggest cost of production at the farm. So let's see how we can solve this problem with getting quality seeds from Itungo pastures. So as we know, animals need carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, name it. So let's go and see the pastures that are sources of carbohydrates. So number 1, Pakchong Super Napier. First, it has a high regrowth, high biomass. It can also be used for good silage. Get the quality seeds from Itungo pastures. Number 2, let's go to sugar graze. It is drought tolerant. For those people in dry areas, it has high energy. It is ratooning, meaning it can grow back, meaning it can replace maize. Number 3, let's go to Chloris Guyana, also known as Rhodes grass. It is good for hair, a very good source of energy, and it is also drought tolerant. Don't forget, all the seeds are from Itungo pastures. Next, Bracharia molato species. This has a lot in it, but it is drought tolerant. Some of the species can be used for free range. It makes good hair, and all of them are sources of carbohydrates. So next, Panicum maximum species. It is good for both hay and silage. It is good for both zero grazing and free range. It has a very high biomass, and it is also dry tolerant. For those people in drier areas, it is also good. Don't forget, get the quality seeds from Itungo pastures. Animals also need body building pastures, and these are proteins. Let's see them. Number 1, we have alfalfa Lucerne, also known as the queen of forages. This is because it has the higher protein content. Do you have sheep? Do you have goats? And good for your dairy. Remember, these seeds are only from Itungo pastures. Number 2, green leaf desmodium. Just like alfalfa, it has high proteins, good for your goats, dairy and sheep, and it can also be used for hay. Number 3, Caliandra forage tree. This is good for high proteins. It fixes nitrogen in the soil, and it is good for all animals. Don't forget, all the quality seeds are at Itungo pastures. Lablab and Mukuna in the bean family. It can make good hay, source of proteins, and it is also loved by all animals. Thank you so much for learning with me. Don't forget, every Saturday at Itungo pastures, we always have the Farmers Fellowship at only 70,000 per head. We are located in Wakiso town along Hoima Road. I have been Umulenje's Confiance from Itungo pastures, truly the home of good things. Bye-bye.